What's up guys, it's Casey from Freefall Data Systems, and I've got some big news for SonoAlti and ColorAlti users. With a minor firmware tweak, we were able to cut the power consumption of our altimeters in half. That's right, in half. We estimate that ColorAlti and SonoAlti will now get around 4 months of battery life. We also created a new PC version of our updater tool, and I'd like to take the opportunity to show you how it works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Freefall Data Systems website and navigate to the product you want to update. Here I'm updating a SonoAlti, so I'm going to go ahead and download that updater zip linked in the instructions. Now that we've got it, I'm going to go ahead and extract all. It may be in a different location for you there. And now I'm actually going to search for Device Manager. But before I open Device Manager, I'm going to unplug all USB peripherals. For me, it was just that dongle. And go ahead and click on it. Now the purpose of this is to determine what port the altimeter is going to be on. And it might be a different port for you than it is for me. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug the altimeter into the computer. And then we should see this list update, which it has. And you can see now ports are listed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it says COM3. And here's the funny thing about this computer. I didn't have to do this with another computer I tested it on. But basically, we need to see what port it's going to be on when the altimeter is in bootloader mode. So take a paper clip and gently insert it into that hole, and then you should see it update. Just gently depress there. Now it says COM4, so it's a different port than when it wasn't in bootloader mode, and you're going to see it switch back in a second. So what I'm going to do, you may not have to do this as I said, but I'm going to go ahead and double click on this. I'm going to set the port manually to COM4 so it stays there. Like I said, that might be a different number for you. We're going to go ahead and press OK. OK. Good to go. I'm going to unplug it, plug it back in, and now I'm going to go ahead and run our batch file. It's not going to let me run it at first because it's an unknown publisher, but I'm going to run anyway. And we're going to type in COM4, and now it's going to flash the firmware to the altimeter. And you're good to go. So that's how the PC version works. We do of course have a Mac version as well, so you can check that out. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and stay safe up there.